Good morning, students. As we have finished our SQL portion, I am switching to the next topic, computer networks. Computer networks is a very important part of your syllabus, and there are other topics also, such as pandas and data visualization using PyPlot. We are leaving pandas and PyPlot for now because I want all the theory portion of your syllabus must be completed first, and then we will go for the practical part. Till then, the lockdown period will be over. We are hoping for the best, and the practical will be done in my lab itself, because you may find it difficult to get into the practical portion, as MySQL requires, though you have done MySQL practical in class 11, but still we are leaving that portion for the next school session, okay, after lockdown. So till then we are easily go for the rest part, computer network. So today I'm going to start computer network. Please create an index in your copy, computer network, and please note down the formal definition of computer network. I'm reading it and you please note down in your copy. A computer network is a set of nodes like computers and networking devices. We'll see what are the different networking devices available. Networking devices that are connected through communication for the purpose of communication and sharing of resources such as hardware resources and software resources among the users. Full stop. I'm again repeating, a computer network is a set of nodes like computers and other networking devices that are connected through communication for the purpose of communication and sharing resources among the users. We'd like to take down the uses of computer network, why we need for a computer network. So please note down, to facilitate communication. The first point, to facilitate communication. The second point, instant messaging. Third is sharing hardware devices. Fourth is enable file sharing. Fifth is to share software. And lastly, to share information. Few disadvantages of computer network are lack of robustness, security issues, and a costly affair. So these are few disadvantages and advantages of computer networks. Come to the next heading, evolution of networking. Here we will see the history of networking. Though it is not very important for your examination, but you must know the important terminologies here. So keep noting, evolution of networking. Here few terminologies are there, you have to write down their names and of course their full forms. So the first topic is ARPANET. 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 Write down the full form. Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Started at 1969. It is basically connected with the defense agencies. Come to internet. The term internet. Write the full form. You all are familiar with the term internet. Write the full form. Interconnection network or interconnected network, whatever suits you properly. Interconnection network. Internet is used in data transferring, web-enabled audio and video, email, online shopping, social networking, etc. We will come to that. Come to the interspace. It's a client-server software. Interspace, it's a client-server software for audio, video, text chatting, etc. Other terminologies are communication channels. Please give the heading communication channel, also known as transmission media. Different transmission media we will see in our further studies. Transmission media is something through which it is a medium through which the data can be sent from one place to another, from source to destination. Okay. Come to the next topic, bandwidth. This is very important, mark it very important, and please note down the definition of bandwidth. The amount of data that can be transferred from one point to another, it is measured as range of frequencies. You see the term range of frequencies, and it is used for telling us the data speed. Okay, हम कहते हैं ना यहाँ नेटवर्क का स्पीड कम है, so it is actually, bandwidth is actually used for measuring your data speed, and the speed measurement is done in terms of bits per second, and the data transmission is done the measurement is done, the speed of the network measurement is done in terms of bits per second. Please note down bits per second, or in short you can say it is BPS. Bandwidth is also defined in terms of highest frequency signal component minus lowest frequency signal component. So it can be shown in terms of highest to lowest frequency signal component. Please note down this one also. Bandwidth is measured in terms of the difference between the highest frequency signal and the lowest frequency signal, full stop. Moreover, bandwidth is also expressed in Please note down. Bandwidth is also expressed in hertz, kilohertz, or megahertz. I'm repeating, hertz is Z, HERTZ, hertz, shortly written as HZ, hertz, kilohertz, and megahertz. Okay. Actually, this measurement this measurement is termed after the name of the scientist Heinrich Rudolf Hertz. Okay. Now come to the term data transfer rate. Data transfer rate. It is another very important measurement term of data, also known as DTR. Note down. DTR is the amount of data in digital form that is moved from one place to another in a given unit of time. In a given unit of time. DTR is the amount of data in digital form that is moved from one place to another in a given time, in a given unit of time. Now see, data transfer rate can be measured in various unit of measurements. Their names are written over here. You have to write them in your copy. BPS, see here, small b is written. BPS is bits per second. The full form is bits per second. Then we have KBPS, kilobits per second, Mbps, megabits per second, GBps, gigabits per second, and TBps, terabits per second. और भी हैं, small b हमने देखा, this is capital B. BPS is bytes per second, capital B. KBPS is kilobytes per second, Mbps is megabyte per second, GBps is gigabyte per seconds, TBps is terabytes per seconds. So these are few data transfer rate unit of measurement. Come to transmission media. Come to transmission media. We can divide the transmission media into two parts. First one is wired network and second one is wireless network. Okay, note down, wired network and wireless network. I'm not going very far in details over here because these are all there in the book. I'm just going to discuss few of the parts that are important for your examination. Wired network. Wired network means the networking is done through cables. Cable will be there. There are three medium, write down their name under wired part. Three medium, please note down their name. First one is twisted pair. Second one is coaxial cable. Third one is fiber optic cable. Okay, this much is enough. Diagrams you can see. This is the twisted pair cable. This is coaxial cable. And this is fiber optic cable. So these are the diagrams. No need to draw the diagram in your copy. Come to the second one, that is wireless network. Jisme there is no wired medium. Wireless network. And under this we have few mediums. Write down their names only. Infrared wave transmission. These are under wireless network. First one is infrared wave transmission. Second one is radio wave transmission. Next one is microwave radio transmission. And lastly, we have satellite communication. See, the diagram of satellite communication is given over here. Okay. So for today, this much is enough. Networking part 1. Please note down the part that I have told you in your copy. And one thing I would like to remind you, that I have sent you a MySQL assignment. Already sent to you the board questions, but you have not given me the still the answers are left. It is unchecked, unevaluated. Please submit it to me by today only. Okay, thank you very much.